Welcome back. Today is going to be day 11 or episode 11, and I'm going to be doing Ed from Ed, Ed, and Eddie. They all have the same name, so it's going to be the really tall one with the one eyebrow. Okay, well, let's get started.
4, 3,
2, 1. This could be a very, very small drawing. Ear. Is it really not even mini yet? Oh, sweet. Alright, there we have it. We have Ed in 60 seconds, and I must say for myself that is pretty good. I mean, he has the eye, his ear, you know, it's the monobrow, that was the key part right there. But anyways, peace, love, and hot sauce, and until tomorrow. I was supposed to wear this shirt for this video because it's the one time that I could have wore this. Well, I mean, I could wear it, but it would have fit. Dang it. Yeah, but like, that's Ed, and I just drew Ed.